So I just wanted to remind you how to divide two polynomials using synthetic division. So this can be a synthetic division problem because the divisor here on the bottom has a power on the x of only 1. So I'm going to draw a little box and a line. And the number that goes in the little box represents the divisor. You set the divisor equal to 0 and solve. And that's the number that goes there. And then next to that little box, you're going to write all the coefficients of the dividend and make sure if you're missing a term that you actually put in a 0. So my biggest term is an x to the 4th. Its coefficient is 3. My next term should be x to the 3rd, but I'm missing it, so I need to put a 0. My next term is an x squared, has a coefficient of -2. Next term is 5x, has a coefficient of 5. And last term is -6. Then I'm going to bring down that first coefficient of the dividend below the line. And then the synthetic division process is a two-step algorithm. You're going to multiply the number in the box times the last number below the line, and that result goes above the line in the next column. And then you're going to add the two numbers that are stacked on top of each other there, and put the result below. So that would put -12 there. So I'm going to repeat that process again. -4 times -12 is 48, and then I'm going to add those two things, which gives me 46. -4 times 46 is -184, plus 5 is -179. And then -4 times 179 would be, let's see, that's a 6, carrier 3, that's a 1, carrier 3, that's a 7, and it would be positive, and add those things together, and it's 707. That last number gets boxed off because it's the remainder. And these, below the line, are the coefficients of my polynomial. Now, this 3 is the coefficient of the term that's 1 less than what my dividend was at the beginning. So I had an x to the 4th in the beginning, so this is going to be 3 times x to the 3rd. And then each of these coefficients, the degree of the term goes down by 1. So this would be -12x squared, 46x to the 1st, -179x to the 0, which means there's no x there. And then the 707 is the remainder, which we put over the divisor, which is not -4, but x plus 4. And there's your answer. That's how synthetic division works.